Hello dear students, welcome to Indian University Studies. In this video I'm going to show you how you have to check the Algappa University merit list, because Algappa University merit list has been released for the undergraduate and postgraduate courses, and how you have to check that is important. Most of the students are really not aware that how you have to check. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how you can check the merit list of Algappa University. Before that, I'm requesting you that make sure you're subscribing this channel, because this is the exclusive channel related to the Algappa University. This is not only for today. I'm talking about the next 3 years. If you are doing your graduation, or if you're doing your BE for next 4 years, so we will be going to give you every update that is related to Algappa University, like your practicals, your vivas, your technical fest, your cultural events, your annual day, what your HOD is saying, how you can apply for the internship, how you can apply for the placement. All those details I'm going to tell you in this on this channel. So before proceeding, I'm requesting every student of Algappa University that make sure that you're subscribing this channel. So how you need to search, that is also important thing. Most of the students are searching the wrong way, ending up with getting the wrong result. You have to search in the same way how I am doing. So you need to you need to have very conscious mind while searching. So you need to open your Google browser, any of your browser, and type google.com, and after that you have to write Algappa University admission 2020, and after that you have to write IAS paper. IAS paper is an exclusive website where you will get everything that is related to the Algappa University. I will search in front of you. As soon as you will be searching, you will be landing on a new page. Here you can check Algappa University admission 2020, and here you can check IAS paper. As soon as you will be clicking on this, you will be landing on a new page here. Alright, Algappa University 2020 admission selection list released. It means the students who has been selected for the UG, PG, or diploma courses, the list has been released. Before that, you can check here, provisional selection list has been released for UG, PG, and diploma courses. So here you can check Algappa University details. Before that, I will request you that make sure you are filling this form, which is very crucial. Here you need to write your full name. Here you need to write your email address. Here you need to write your mobile number. Here you need to select your state. For example, I'm from Tamil Nadu, so I'll be writing Tamil Nadu. Wherever you are, you just select your Indian state, in which city you were based. So let's say, for example, I'm based in Vallapur. If you are from any other city, just click over there. If you will talk about me, I'm from a small village which is very much far away from city, and this is a very local, which is very remote part where I stay. Still, I try my best to give you the valuable things whatever I can. In which course you are interested. For example, I'm interested in BTech, so I'll be selecting BTech. And what is your highest qualification? For example, if you are applying for UG, then you have to select 12th, and if you're applying for PG, you have to select graduation. Here I'm selecting 12th because I'm applying for UG. And now click on get free counseling. As soon as you will be clicking on get free counseling, you will start getting updates from Algappa University, every single update for free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for this, and also you will get opportunities and offers from various universities all across the country regarding admission. Like, you will get 3 things, everything that is first is selection, choice, and quality. Whenever you have quality, selection, and choice, you can select your own university. So I'll be requesting that you have to click on this. All right, here you can check the provisional list has been released. Click here to check list. As soon as you'll be clicking on this, you will be landing on a page, and here you need to select your university. Before that, I will tell you that there is a full-fledged admission which is going in Bennett University, Manarashna University, Lovely Professional University, Chandigarh University, Sharda University, World Peace University, St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, JD Gurgaon, and other universities are offering full-fledged admission. These are highly preferable university which I am preferring, and in the description of this video you can find the link of this page, and here you can go and apply in this, where you will be getting 100% placement after completing your graduation. All right, here you can check if you want to. Okay, here is the provisional list. Here is for MSc Chemistry, BSc Vocal Fashion Technology, MA, MBA HemCom, MSc in Microbiology, MSc Physics, MSc Software Development, BOC Software Development, BSc Mathematics. All those things you have to click. Okay, I'll make it zoom to 150%, which will be more visible for you. Here, if you wanna check MSc Applied Geology, just click on view and download. As soon as you're clicking on this, you will be finding a new page where you will get this name of the students, like your name, your application number, your name, and your community, your percentage, and category. So all those things you will be going to get under here, which is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. So if you really think that I've really helped you to check your selection or list, definitely subscribe this channel and like this video. If you have any doubt, just comment below. Thank you so much for watching.